Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna keep this short because this tutorial is short. This is all about how to create a green screen background or put an image behind you using Instagram Reels. Check it out. Here we go, green screen background for Instagram Reels. So first thing I'm gonna do is select this plus sign at the top and then tap on Reels, which will open up here. Then I am going to select the bottom left-hand corner right here for the images that are on your phone or videos. And then from here, I'm gonna tap on green screen. And that'll pull up the green screen. And then I'm gonna actually use this photo here as like a bit of a throwback. Now, what I found is that if you try to touch up your appearance, the green screen feature goes away. So if it's glitching out for you, try to remove that touch up thing. And I'm gonna go ahead and record a video just so you can see what it's like. Hello, this is me. Back in the day when I was a budget fashion blogger. Look at her. You can also pinch this like this. Look at her. She is fabulous. I was a budget fashion blogger, so that dress is from Walmart, the bag is from Target, the hat is from probably also Target, glasses from some random site. I love it. I miss it. Okay. The video is recorded, and I'm gonna go ahead and look at it. Perfect. Okay, you can add text and anything you'd like there, but I'm gonna go ahead and save this as a draft for later, but this tutorial is done. Hey, and if you liked this video, download my Instagram mindset guide. I'll put the link down below, and I'll be back at you with another video soon. Bye for now.